Add email address to your Facebook account easily. First of all, open the Facebook app. Now tap on the profile, like at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines of the top left corner. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then click on the option Account Center. Now click on Profile and Personal Details. Now tap on Contact Info. Then tap on the option Add Email Address. In the required space type in your email. Then click on Next. Now type in the code that has been sended to your phone number. Then click on Next. Again, tap on Next. Now enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email. Then click on Next. Now you have successfully added your email address to your Facebook account, and that's it.